Everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss what is Power BI and why we need to use Power BI and how can we use Power BI. Okay, so let's start with what is Power BI. So basically, it is a business intelligence tool which will help you to analyze your data, to clean your data and convert your data into visual format, where you can create reports, okay, different dashboards. So this is a business intelligence tool, okay, or in other words we can say it a Power BI is a collection of components. So Power BI is a collection of 4 components, okay. So first is Power Query. So Power Query is a ELT tool, which means extract, transform and load, okay. So Power Query will extract data, transform it, it will clean the data, okay, and then it will load the data, clean the data, okay. So, or in other language, for cleaning data, when you have multiple null values, empty records, or for different uncleaned data, we use Power Query, okay. And Power Pivot, okay, it's a second component of Power BI, okay. So Power Pivot used for data modeling when you have multiple data source. If you want to connect them and create relationship between them, then you can use Power Pivot, okay. And the next component is Power View, okay. So Power Query is used to source your data from multiple data sources and connect them and build a relationship between them, okay. And then we can use Power View. Power View is used to create 250 plus visuals that can be bar chart, donut chart, pie chart, column chart, combo chart, and so on, okay. So this chart are used to create dashboards and reports, okay. And if you want to share these reports and charts in anywhere in the world, then you need to use the 4th component of Power BI, which is Power BI services, okay. So Power BI services will help your users, okay, will help you to communicate between each other via report, okay. So you can share this reports and dashboards using Power BI services, okay, and communicate with your clients, okay. Now, so it is a pack of 4 components: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI services. Next question is, why should we go with Power BI? Okay, why not other tools? So I will give you 5 reasons why you need to use Power BI. So first is search volume in Google, okay. So there is an application which is known as Google Trend, so which will help you to find interest over time for any item, okay. So here I try to check the trend of Power BI in last 5 years across the world. So you can see that the graph is increasing format, okay. So let's compare Tableau with Power BI. So here you can see that Tableau has constant line graph, okay, and Power BI having the graph in an increasing order. So the trend is compared to Power BI and Tableau. The Power BI graph is increasing and Tableau graph is constant, okay. So the second reason is maximum features. There are 200 plus functions in Power BI, okay, and the cost of Power BI, okay. So Power BI is cheaper than any BI tools, okay. And the 4th is data connectivity. There are 100 plus data sources, okay. There was CSV, Azure, Oracle, and you can also access data from websites. There are multiple sources you can get data in Power BI, okay. And it is recognized by, so Gartner was a company which rate the BI tools, okay. So the report of Gartner company in 2023, the Power BI is on the top position, okay. So that's why you need to use Power BI, okay. How Power BI work, okay. So Power BI basically contains two things, which is Power BI desktop and Power BI services. Okay, so in Power BI desktop you can load data, source the data from different sources. Okay, then you clean the data, you perform data modeling, and create different charts, dashboards and reports. Okay, so after creating this charts, dashboards and reports, you can share it by using Power BI services. Okay, so that's how you can work with Power BI. Okay, so I hope this was clear to everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.